Is your garden struggling no matter how hard you try? Do your plants look tired even after using expensive fertilizers that promise miracles but never deliver? What if I told you that the secret to a thriving, lush, and healthy garden is already in your home, and you're probably throwing it away? Cut to vibrant garden full of life. Today, I'm going to show you the art of composting, turning kitchen scraps and yard waste into pure gold for your garden. Compost isn't just fertilizer, it's a living ecosystem that brings your soil to life. Compost enriches your soil with nutrients, improves soil texture and water retention, reduces food waste and saves money, increases plant resistance to disease, and boosts your garden's long-term health. So instead of trashing your banana peels, coffee grounds, and leaves, you can turn them into a natural powerhouse your garden will love. To make compost, you only need a simple balance of ingredients, what we call greens and browns. Think of greens as the fuel that heats up the compost, while browns give it structure and keep it from smelling. The perfect ratio? About 2 parts browns to 1 part greens. And don't forget air and moisture. Your compost pile should be as damp as a wrung-out sponge and turned regularly to allow oxygen in. Types of composting. 1. Traditional outdoor pile, beginner-friendly. Perfect for backyards. Build a pile at least 3 by 3 feet so it heats up properly. 2. Compost bin or tumbler. Great if you want a cleaner look and faster results. Turning is super easy. 3. Vermicomposting, indoor friendly. This method uses red worms to break down scraps, ideal for apartments or small spaces. Plus, worm castings, gardeners call them black gold. D. Bokashi, fermentation composting. A Japanese method that ferments food, even meat and dairy, before you bury it in soil to decompose. Bokashi is a process that converts food waste and similar organic matter into a soil amendment, which adds nutrients and improves soil texture. It differs from traditional composting methods in several respects. The most important are: the input matter is fermented by specialist bacteria, not decomposed. The fermented matter is fed directly to field or garden soil without requiring further time to mature. As a result, virtually all input carbon, energy, and nutrients enter the soil food web, having been neither emitted in greenhouse gases and heat, nor leached out. Other names attributed to this process include Bokashi composting, Bokashi fermentation, and fermented composting. Step by step, how to start composting. Let's start composting together. Here's how to set up your first compost in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Choose your method: pile, bin, tumbler, worms, Bokashi. Step 2. Add a base layer of browns to help airflow. Step 3. Add greens plus browns in layers, 2:1 ratio. Step 4. Keep moist like a wrung-out sponge. Step 5. Turn it every 1 to 2 weeks to speed up decomposition. You'll know your compost is ready when it's dark, crumbly, earthy, and smells like fresh soil. Troubleshooting and common mistakes. If your compost smells bad, add more browns and turn it for airflow. If it's dry and not decomposing, sprinkle some water and add more greens. If bugs show up, bury food deeper or cover with browns. Do not compost list meat, bones, oil, diseased plants, pet droppings. Composting is more than a gardening technique. It's a lifestyle of giving back to the earth. When you compost, you reduce waste, nourish your soil, and grow a vibrant garden full of life. If this video inspired you to start composting, share it with a friend who loves gardening. Like, subscribe, and comment below with, "I'm ready to compost." I'd love to hear where you're watching from and what composting method you're excited to try.